Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Part a small section where you'll create the edge. This gives control and protects the rest of the afro. Comb the section gently to define growth direction, then apply a dime-sized amount of edge control or gel. Spread thinly so curls still bounce. Once done, use a small edge brush or toothbrush to brush hairs into place along the hairline, following the natural curve. Make sure to hold the skin taut briefly to get a clean line without pulling on fragile roots. Once the first pass is set, refine shape by working in small sections. This prevents overloading product and preserves curl definition. You'll make short, decisive strokes with the brush to sculpt swoops or follow the hairline. This gives precision rather than brute force. If edges feel stiff, blot the area lightly with a silk cloth to soften while maintaining shape. Make sure to step back and check symmetry. Correct one side at a time so you don't overwork the hairline and compromise the look. To finish, lightly press the styled edges with a silk scarf for 5 to 10 minutes. This locks the pattern without crushing the afro's volume. Once you remove the scarf, flare the roots with your fingers to restore lift and spot tidy any stray hairs with the brush. If you see residue or flakes, dampen a cloth and smooth gently instead of piling on more product. This prevents buildup. If you notice soreness or breakage, pause styling, treat the line gently, and allow hair to recover before redoing edges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.